अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको अपनी हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे और सेहत तंदुरुस्ती वाली लंबी ज़िंदगी दे। हम मौजूद हैं 151 स्ट्रीट रिवरसाइड ऑलमोस्ट ब्रॉन्क्स में। तो दोस्तों आज हम मौजूद हैं 151 स्ट्रीट ब्रॉन्क्स में रिवरसाइड पर, और यहाँ पार्क में एक बहुत अच्छा फेस्टिवल है जो हर साल होता है और यहाँ लोगों को गोट्स के साथ मिलाया जाता है। जी बिल्कुल ठीक सुना आपने, यहाँ लोगों को गोट्स के साथ मिलाया जाता है क्योंकि न्यूयॉर्क में आप घरों में गोट्स वगैरह नहीं पाल सकते, कुछ भी चिकन या इस तरह की चीज़ें भी नहीं रख सकते। तो ये फेस्टिवल का नाम ही गोथम है, यानी गोट से मुतल्लिक। तो चलिए इस फेस्टिवल में चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या क्या कुछ हो रहा है। They are just playing. They are just becoming naughty. Yeah.
Sorry.
It's a little bit the job of the protector. That's why she made it sexy.
Hello.
So just relax.
Are you a star? Get in there. Yes, Turbo. Yes, yes. Work. Work those angles, Turbo. The future of the art. Yeah. I mean, I'm telling myself the best is close, right?
Hello.
It wouldn't be bad.
They are just playing. They are just becoming naughty. Yeah.
Sorry. So you guys can come back to here later.
To the stage, we have a short speaking program. I promise not to keep you out in the sun too long. And the goats, of course, will be there when we are finished. If everyone wants to make their way over to the stage, everything will be here in 20 minutes when we are finished.
Last year they didn't do it. They just
Including the goats.
Okay.
Big little guy.
Okay, here we go.
We want to give the goats as much breathing room as possible. We don't want to stress them out.
Oh, wait.
And we are, since they are goats, they are going to do their own thing. So if they're not feeling leaving the tent and the hay, we're going to forgive them that.
Another one coming in. Okay.
Fabulous. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, one more. Very good.
Might try to squeeze it. Have some more.
One more.
Hi, Chico. Have some more.
All right, they're already chewing the ribbon, aren't they? Not even waiting for me to give them a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh? Once again, we want to thank all of you, our sponsors, our elected official partners, the New York City Parks Department, the whole Conservancy team, and of course the goats. Here we are kicking off another great year of this program. I'll do a little countdown for the official cutting if you guys want to count along with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fresh weed.
We've got all kinds of great community vendors, some bites to eat, some arts and crafts. Please feel free to mill around and enjoy.
They don't take us down.
I have one more thing to say, but I want to make sure we're all ribbon chewed.
Hey, Chico!
I really think 𝐿𝐿𝐼𝐵 is getting a good head start.
Killing it. Just killing it.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Aggressive.
Here we go.
Really. She likes flowers.
No one has the ones right next to my hand.
See the freshest.
Very discerning.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry, we're gonna have to
Yes.
Oh, that's the good stuff
Always-
right
always
there. Yeah.
Fresh ones.
There you go. I'll send that one to you.
So some of the goats have horns and some don't.
Yep, it depends on what breed they are.
Breed.
So this is an alpine. Alpines all have. I'm not really a goat expert. I just happen to like them a lot. So I might sound like an expert. I'm not.
More than we know.
More than, yes, exactly.
They all have very big personalities.
Yes, I see that.
Hello.
How many of them will stay?
7 of them are going to be at the new enclosure at 143rd Street.
143rd Street. Okay.
And the bandanas are free if you'd like. The bandanas are free if you'd like to take them. You're welcome.
Yeah, you having a good time?
Other way. Sure? What's the other one? What's the other one?
Coyote. Yeah.
Let me just have some.
Yes, I see you tomorrow. Good to see you tonight. You still
Slide me a bag.
I got my ice cream. I got some steal their seats over there.
Yeah, the little goes a long way.
Yeah. I can just put it on the top of a.
Yep.
¿Terminaste? Okay.
Oh, then I'm gonna have more than I need. Thank you.
Four ingredients. One ingredient is greens, or like food waste, plant waste. The second ingredient is carbon, or like wood chips and leaves. And then there's two not solid ingredients, water and oxygen, water and air. You want to combine all of those, the carbon and nitrogen in equal amounts. And over time, that will decompose and create material that looks like this. This takes about, on a small scale, it takes about a year to go from your start to your
to the end, to the finishing.
Yeah.
And if you want to make a compost for home plants,
Yeah.
like for the daily base, apple peel, banana peel, you can do it with this.
Yeah, I'd recommend using like a bucket that you can like either shake or turn, and then combining everything. Like you could use paper as your carbon or cardboard as your carbon. Combining that with your food and mixing it over time.
And keep it tight, airtight.
You want oxygen. You want lots of air.
Oxygen.
Air is helping the process. Yeah.
And how long it will take to be ready to put it on the
The
plant?
earth? About a year later.
About everywhere it will take 1 year.
Yeah, if you want it to be really done and stable, yeah, about a year.
So do you recommend we should try like 3-4 buckets at a time? This will finish
exactly.
this date, this will finish
Yeah,
this
so
date.
3 stages. One that you're feeding, one that's curing or like being processed.
And the third one
then
you
the
are
final.
preparing right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, exactly.
Thank you very
Of
much.
course, yeah, thank you for stopping.
Do you have any suggestion how to take care of the plants? The one suggestion you think it must be?
Don't overwater. I know, like, yeah, check your soil for the amount of moisture. There's no like set schedule. It's really based on the plant. So check your soil moisture and then water based on that. Yeah.
Are there a lot of goat farms up there?
There's some.
Are you like dairy goats?
No, we're just raising goats. Yeah, that's all they do.
It's not a big every year. Pennsylvania farm.
They start telling you, no, that's upstate. Thank you guys.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, yeah, do something. Yeah. Why?
the oatmeal ones though.
Oh, no more.
So nice.
But this one is good too.
Pink is lavender.
Yeah, this one is good. Look at
What is this one? This is
I think this is honey. Honey, yeah.
let's get you
Oh, thank you so much. I
course.
appreciate it.
Which one is this?
This is that one.
May I have one also? Like that?
like that.
May I have one of this?
That one, you want a sample too?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. It's old. There you go. And there you go. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, really nice. That's a good one. People pay good money for that, you know. I'm paying a lot of money for these right now.
Nakalilay mo na camera dyan.
Thank you. That's a really good activity for the kids.
Thank you.
How much is one t-shirt?
The gray t-shirts are 20, and but the blue and the turquoise are 10.
There's blue. This is 10.
10.
The old, this is last year's.
Those are free.
Free.
Thank you.
Do you have the potato chips or is that?
This one. Yep. Thank you.
So the orange bandana is free.
Yes.
Okay. So orange bandana is free. We will take one.
I'd like to get one of those. Do I can take the.
Anyway, nothing you can do. Let's drink a lot of milk. That's right. Milk is always kept in this water. The point is that the speaking for experience. Goat's milk, I'm pretty good, I think, in here. Trisha's talking about milk. And I think you'll know the word, you'll know when you can sing the word milk.
ऐसा लगा आपको आज का जो फेस्टिवल आपने देखा कैसे गोट्स को उन्होंने सेव करके अंदर रखा हुआ है ताकि लोग उनको तंग न करें। उनको फीड कर रहे हैं, उनको पानी पिला रहे हैं, बच्चे उनके साथ पिक्चर्स खिंचा के खुश हो रहे हैं। गोट्स के मतलब जानवरों के मतलब स्पीचेस दी जा रही हैं। इसके अलावा बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स थे जहाँ प्लांट्स को ग्रो करने से लेकर किड्स की एक्टिविटी तक हर चीज़ मौजूद थी। खाने पीने के भी वेंडर्स थे जो खाने पीने की चीज़ें सेल कर रहे थे। तो एक ही फेस्टिवल में हमने कितना कुछ एंजॉय किया और कितना कुछ हमें सीखने को मिला। हमारे नबी पाक हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हमेशा ये कहा कि अपने जानवरों के साथ, अपने घर के मुलाजिमों के साथ, इंसानों के साथ अच्छा सलूक करें। यही आपके अशरफुल मखलूक होने की एक वजह है कि आप दूसरों के लिए अपने दिल में हमदर्दी और रहम का जज्बा रखते हैं। तो अगर आप इस जज्बे को ही ख़त्म कर देंगे, अपनी इस खासियत को ही ख़त्म कर देंगे, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप अशरफुल मखलूक कहलाने के लायक नहीं हैं। तो हमारे मुल्क में जो जानवरों के साथ किया जा रहा है और जो लोग कर रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ कोई कानूनी चाराजोई की जाए, उनको कोई सज़ा दी जाए ताकि आइंदा के लिए लोग सबक हासिल करें और जो लोग अपने दिल में इस तरह के जज्बात लाते हैं उनके लिए है कि खुदारा आप सोचिए कि आप कौन हैं, किस मज़हब के पैरोकार हैं, और हमारा मुल्क एक इस्लामी मुल्क है। हम अपने बच्चों को अपने बच्चों को क्या सिखा रहे हैं और अपने मुल्क की शक्ल दूसरे ममालिक में क्या दिखा रहे हैं। चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही। हमारा ये व्लॉग माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा रहा। होपफुली आपने भी इंजॉय किया होगा और अच्छा लगा होगा। तो अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए ताकि आप अपने प्यारों का ख्याल रख सकें, और जानवरों का ख्याल रखना भी मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।